Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pool table leveling kit is probably one of the most important accessories you can buy for your pool table, ensuring a perfectly level playing surface for consistent and enjoyable gameplay. A level table dramatically improves accuracy, reduces frustrating bounces, and guarantees fair play, transforming casual games into precise and competitive matches. This video will guide you through everything you need to know to select the right kit and achieve a perfectly level playing surface. Number 5. SereneLife 6-foot pool table. It features a robust steel frame and weighs 128 pounds, ensuring a solid and secure playing experience. Enjoy confident gameplay knowing it won't wobble or move during intense matches. Experience a perfectly flat playing surface thanks to its fully supported slate. This prevents dips and ensures precision shots for a professional feel. The welded leg supports provide exceptional durability and stability. Enjoy countless hours of worry-free gameplay, knowing it's built to last. The anti-collapse safety lock keeps it securely in place. Play with confidence, knowing it won't unexpectedly fold during gameplay. Everything you need is included. It comes with billiard balls, cues, a brush, triangle, and chalk, so you can start playing right away. What we like. If you prioritize stability in a professional playing experience, this is the perfect choice. Its robust steel frame and fully supported slate ensure a perfectly level playing surface for precise shots. The included accessory kit provides everything you need to start playing right away, making it ideal for serious players or those who want a complete setup. What people say. The table is level checked, the felt is smooth, the balls roll well and the bumpers are quality and bounce as one would hope expect. For its size it feels like a regular pool table you would find at a bar or pool hall. It's heavy. It's definitely a two-person job to move or carry around. It's packaged well, although the shipping box was pretty beat up. It's packaged great. All of the gear you need to start playing pool are right there in the undercarriage of the table, under the folded legs. Simply unfold the legs, pull out the cues, balls, chalk, etc., unfold the legs and turn it over. That's it. It has a sturdy steel frame and a fully supported slate which gives us a level playing surface. The leg supports are welded with safety anti-collapse locks, this makes it incredibly strong and stable no matter how intense the game gets. Number 4. SereneLife 6-foot pool table. Get ready for hours of fun with this amazing portable pool table. It's perfect for game nights with friends and family, no matter where you are. This professional-grade mini pool table features sturdy steel legs that easily fold for compact storage and transportation. It's ideal for small spaces and convenient for on-the-go play. Everything you need is included. It comes with billiard balls, 2 CueStix, a brush, a triangle, and chalk. You're ready to play right out of the box. It boasts a heavy-duty steel frame and premium felt surface for smooth gameplay. The sturdy leg brace ensures stability during even the most intense matches. Simply unfold the legs and you are ready to play. Adjustable legs with foot pads ensure a level playing surface, perfect for both kids and adults, indoors or outdoors. What we like. If space is an issue or you need a table that's easy to move, this portable option is ideal. Its foldable design and adjustable legs make it perfect for various locations and playing surfaces. The complete accessory kit makes it ready to play out of the box, perfect for casual players or those with limited storage space. What people say. Like that the table is nice and sturdy. Like I can take it down and out the way when I'm not using it. The table is heavy and doesn't move when you lean on it to take a shot. The felt was perfect, no bumps or scratches. Came with everything needed to start playing right away. Even came with chalk. Excellent game table to enjoy with family. Well built and very easy to assemble. Number 3. Tahikem heavy-duty leveling feet. These robust leveling feet are made of steel with a galvanized finish to prevent rust. They're perfect for stabilizing various furniture, from workbenches to cabinets. They easily adjust the height of your furniture from 2 cm to 7 cm. The L-shaped bracket design enhances stability, ensuring a secure and level surface. Each foot supports up to 1,000 pounds, providing a combined capacity of 4,000 pounds when used as a set. They're ideal for even your heaviest furniture. Installation is a breeze, requiring only a drill or screwdriver for initial setup and a wrench for fine-tuning the height. Everything you need is included. The rubber base is non-slip and protects your floors from damage. These leveling feet offer a complete solution for wobbly furniture. With Tahikem heavy-duty leveling feet, you can finally enjoy stable, level furniture. Invest in quality and peace of mind. What we like. If you need heavy-duty leveling feet for your pool table or other heavy furniture, this set is unmatched. They're height adjustable and easy to install, ensuring a stable and level surface for any heavy item. The high weight capacity makes them suitable for even the most substantial furniture pieces, providing long-lasting support and stability. What people say. These leveling feet are a simple design that puts the weight of the object you are mounting them on in the correct place. They are made from very good material, easy to install, and after installed are easy to adjust and lock in place. Very substantial and adjustable outdoor rated feet for furniture. Nice enough to use for indoor furniture as well. Hardware was good quality, with no sharp edges or deformed parts. Number 2. OwnMy 4 PCS Billiard Table Leg Levelers. Tired of a wobbly game table? These levelers are the perfect solution for any type of table, ensuring a smooth and even playing surface every time. They're suitable for billiard, soccer, ping pong, or air hockey tables. It easily adjusts to your specific needs. With a 3-hole screw connection, it offers adjustable height and a spinable design. Raise your table from 2 to 3.15 inches to your ideal height. Made with a metal casting body and sturdy PE base, they are durable, stable, dustproof, and rust-resistant. They'll last for years to come. The package includes 4 levelers, metal plates, screws, and everything you need for easy installation. They measure 5 by 2.76 inches. They are designed to level your table on any floor type, protecting your floors and table legs from scratches and damage. Enjoy a level playing field. What we like. If you need a versatile solution for leveling various game tables, this is a great option. Its adjustable height and durable construction make it suitable for a variety of tables and playing surfaces. The multifunctional design makes it a cost-effective solution for multiple game tables, saving you money and space. What people say. The legs work great. The product came with everything and leveled a pool table as expected. These have a lot of thread to work with to level whatever it is you need leveled. This was a plus for me because I had a bowed tabletop I was finishing with resin to level it out, worked as desired. Number 1. CueStix TP5069 Pool Table Levelers. Tired of an uneven pool table? These CueStix TP5069 levelers are here to help. They're designed for a perfect game every time. Leveling your pool table has never been easier. This set of 4 levelers ensures a perfectly flat playing surface, enhancing your game. They'll add a touch of elegance to your game room. The shiny chrome finish complements your pool table without overpowering it. Each leveler adjusts independently, allowing you to perfectly level your table on any type of flooring. Use a level for precise height adjustment. These levelers protect your floors from scratches and damage. They work on hardwood, tile, and carpet, providing a stable base for your table. They are compatible with most standard pool tables, making them a versatile and convenient addition to your game room. Please note they are not compatible with Brunswick tables. What we like. If you're looking for a stylish and easy-to-install solution, this set is a great choice. The chrome finish adds a touch of elegance to your pool table, while the simple installation process makes it quick and easy to set up. Its compatibility with most tables makes it a versatile option for many pool table owners. What people say. Sturdy, easy to install. Got what we paid for. It works and my table is leveled. Very good quality, easy to install and all hardware included. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.